Okay, we're going to haul these out a little bit. So these are core stones. So these are the aluminum oxide, which doesn't cut real good, which means it takes a lot of force and effort, which means I'm going to get hot and sweaty. More than I already am. So these are going to be a workout. Now we don't have a lot to hold on to here, so it's going to be hard to hold on to this sucker. But at least the edges aren't very sharp, so at least it won't eat my hands up too awful bad when it rips out of my hands. Which it will. Guaranteed. Okay. Find something to hold on to decently. These are bad. And this is broken in the lip, so it'll be a little bit here too. A bit of effort. This is a high spot. Maybe a little bit out of round. Ripped off a couple fingernails. What's going on here? Yeah, that hurts. I'm gonna hook on. Okay, what do we bottom down on? Something's wrong here. I'm only going halfway. What did we do here? Different. There it goes, whatever it was freed up there. I felt something go across, dig, and it went all away. Didn't know what it was. I don't know, something different. Okay. Pressure on that. Hard on my body. The bore still looks like crap. Let's try the other one. I'm going to rip all my thumbnails off trying to hold these things. Gotta find something to hold on to good and tight. Like right there. Problem is your fingernails get caught in these things. Hear that popping noise? Something's going. I was doing that noise. Well, we'll see. Good cut. It always got real slimy. Deglaze the stone. Pressure back up. Okay. Whew. That warms you up on a nice cool night. It's just not a cool night, it's a hot night. Okay, that one's hot. Let's try this one. I'm going to do a stone swap here. Ooh, that was still pretty rough in there. Okay, this one got a hold of me. That's a good spot right there. Whew. Does have a lot of pressure, not much cutting. Cylinder's still very rough. Big low spot there, that's hugely low. Like 10-15 thou worth of being low. These stones are not cutting these cylinders at all. They're just making me work hard, doing almost nothing. Okay, these are aluminum oxide. We're going to switch over to silicon carbide. More the correct stone. Whew. These are 1 step finer. Still pretty coarse though. I don't know what these things are made out of, but it definitely was not holding with that stone I had. I don't like that one. This one here, that's my best holding spot right there. Good for that thumbnail. Around. Okay, what do we got to hold on this one? Much. Whew. Huh. Shouldn't be doing much of that whip. These cylinders are hard. You know, it's a rough stone. The finish looks really fine because it's not cutting. It's hard. Oh. Whew. Glaze. Takes more pressure. More pressure. More pressure. See how they're getting more rounded, though it's not jerking so bad. I just sure don't want to home. Alright. Whew. These are some hard ass cylinders. Still got rust. Got rust marks in them. Alright. Okay, I'll get some more honey. We'll come back here after I'm done dyeing. Alright, we're back.